Climbers heard a strange noise on the mountain, but what they found shocked them. Sorel and Eric Rowan stood at the base of the Britain Mountains, ready to climb. It was a dangerous mission, but they wanted to find a new path to the top. As they went higher, the snow got deeper. The only sounds were their boots crunching on ice. Then they heard something else, a soft meow. Sorel stopped. The sound came again. He looked at his brother, confused. No animal should be this high up. They followed the sound, stepping carefully over the ice. Then they saw it, a small orange cat sitting in the snow. It looked strong and calm, not cold or weak. The wind picked up, but the cat stood and walked ahead, leading them along the path. The brothers followed, struggling in the deep snow. After nearly an hour, the cat stopped at a rocky ledge and slipped into a narrow opening. The brothers climbed closer and found a hidden entrance. When they stepped inside, what they saw left them speechless. Click the like button and comment "Hidden Shelter" for part 2.